In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew an SSL certificate in GoDaddy. If you already have an SSL certificate with GoDaddy and you want to extend its protection before it expires, the process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through where to go and what to look for so you can renew it confidently and avoid any interruption to your website security. To begin, open the GoDaddy website and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the account where your SSL certificate was originally purchased, since that's where your products and services will be listed. Once you're logged in, head to the main account area and open the section called My Products. Inside My Products, you'll be able to see the services connected to your account. This is the area where GoDaddy organizes your domains, hosting, and security products. Look through this page until you find your SSL certificate. If you own one, it should appear in the list of products available under your account. When you locate the SSL certificate, click on Manage. This is the option that takes you into the control area for that specific certificate. From there, GoDaddy will give you the option to renew the certificate, and in many cases, you may also be able to choose a longer validity period plan if that's something you prefer. If you want less frequent renewals, selecting a longer plan can be helpful, especially if you manage multiple website tasks and want to reduce maintenance over time. On the other hand, if you just want to continue your current setup, simply proceed with the standard renewal option that works best for your needs. As you go through the renewal screen, take a moment to review the plan details carefully. Make sure the certificate you're renewing is the correct one for your website and confirm the renewal term before finishing the purchase. That small check can help prevent confusion later, especially if you have more than one product in your account. Once you complete the renewal, your SSL coverage will continue based on the plan you selected. Keeping your SSL certificate active is important because it helps protect your site visitors' data and maintains trust by keeping your website secure. That's it. Open GoDaddy, go to My Products, find your SSL certificate, click Manage, and choose either Renew or a longer validity period plan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.